Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to translate using Google Translate. Here are some steps to translate using Google Translate on your mobile device. Install Google Translate. Go to the Google Play Store, search for Google Translate, and install it if you haven't already. Open the app. Launch Google Translate by tapping Open, or open it on your home screen. Select your languages. At the bottom, choose the source language, the one you want to translate from, then the target language, the one you wanted to translate to. Choose an input method. You can translate by typing, speaking, and writing, or using your camera. Just tap the text box to type. Tap the microphone to speak. Tap the pen icon for handwriting. Tap the camera to use Google Lens for visual translation. Enter the text. Type or input the word, sentence you want to translate. View the translation. The translation appears instantly below the input box. Use additional features. Tap the speaker icon to hear pronunciation. Tap copy, share, or star to save it. Use offline translation. Now, go back to the main page. Tap on your profile icon at the top right. Tap the settings. Tap downloaded languages for use without internet. Choose a language, then tap on download. With these steps, you can easily translate text, speech, or images using Google Translate. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.